Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a table in Photoshop. All right, let's begin. First, open your Photoshop project and go to View, Show, Grid to display the grid on your canvas. Now, select the rectangle tool from the toolbar and draw the first table cell. Since Snap is enabled, the rectangle will align with the grid automatically. Resize it if necessary until you're happy with the dimensions. After creating the first cell, click the top icons and change the values and color of stroke and fill to the following. Set the border color and thickness to create visible table lines. Finally, duplicate the rectangle using Ctrl+J and then enable brush by pressing the B key. Now, hold the Command or Control key while dragging the shape. Continue duplicating and positioning the cells until you've created the required number of rows and columns. The Grid and Snap features will help keep everything perfectly aligned. So that's basically how you can create a table in Photoshop. That's it for this video. Thanks.